In our last class, we learned how mixing develops gluten. Today, we explore what happens after mixing, resting and dough relaxation. Because in pastry, time is not waiting, time is technique. If you skip resting, your dough will fight you. If you respect resting, your dough will cooperate.
Welcome to Selin Georgex, and this is Pastry Masterclass.
Number 1, what happens immediately after mixing? When we mix dough, 3 things happen. Gluten develops, the dough tightens, and the structure becomes elastic and slightly stressed. At this stage, the dough is active and resistant. If you try to roll it immediately, it will shrink back, tear, and feel tight. This is not a recipe problem. It is a gluten tension issue. Number 2, what resting actually does. Resting allows gluten strands to relax, moisture to distribute evenly, fat to firm up again, and the dough temperature to stabilize. When gluten relaxes, the dough becomes easier to roll, less elastic, less likely to shrink, more predictable. 3, the science behind relaxation. Gluten behaves like a stretched elastic band. When you pull it, it resists. When you let it rest, it softens. Resting is the pause that resets structure. Number 4, how long should dough rest? For short crust pastry, chill it in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. This relaxes the gluten and gives you a flakier crust. Puff pastry, this dough needs 30 to 60 minutes rest between each fold. This ensures the butter layer stay distinct for flaky results. After heavy handling, let the dough rest at least 15 minutes. This relaxes the gluten and improves the final texture. If dough snaps back, it needs more time. Always wrap dough properly to prevent drying. Number 5, room temperature versus refrigeration. For the best results, always use ingredients at room temperature. Resting at room temperature relaxes gluten. Resting in the refrigerator relaxes gluten and firm fat. For laminated dough, refrigeration is essential. For short crust, chilling improves structure. Number 6, signs your dough has rested properly. Your dough is ready when it rolls smoothly and does not snap back. Feels slightly softer. Edges stay clean without cracking. If it fights you, it is not ready. Number 7, demonstration segment. Dough rolled immediately shrinks back and curls. Rested dough rolls evenly, stays flat. Visual learning builds confidence. Number 8, common mistakes. Under time pressure, we skip resting the dough. But don't make the mistake of not wrapping it properly. Rolling warm dough. Confusing resting with fermentation. Resting is structural control, not optional delay. In pastry, patience creates precision. Resting allows gluten to relax, fat to stabilize, and structure to balance. When you understand resting, dough stops resisting you and starts responding to you. In our next class, we explore temperature control in pastry, the invisible ingredient that determines whether your layers succeed or fail. This brings us to the end of this cooking class. See you next time as we explore more of this cooking importance.